Zachos, interior designer at Zachos Realty and Design Group in Sarasota, Florida. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about my design must-haves for every single room. The first one would be to splurge on your foundational pieces, and those items are your sofa in your living and family room, your dining table and dining chairs, and then for your bedroom, your headboard and bed frame. Those are really important pieces that you're going to have forever, so I definitely say splurge on those, spend and get quality fabrics and materials so that they last a long time, and then they can transition with you as your style changes throughout the years. Another key item that I really suggest for every room is to add greenery. Greenery is really important to add to a room because it really adds warmth and brings the outside into your home and really makes it cozy. Another element that I suggest for your room is to select natural materials, and that kind of consists of mainly your area rug in your room, also your window treatments. You can go with a really pretty linen material for your rug. It can be a jute wool material. I also really like adding the natural materials in decorative objects. You can find some like wooden bowls and ceramic vases. Any natural element really adds a lot to a space, and it also adds like a very timeless and natural element to the room. Another item that I really like to suggest is just to layer those materials. So layer the materials in the pillows, in the throws, and again with the accessories, you know, add metals, different shades of metals, different wood tones, and then again like the ceramic pottery. And you can really add a lot of textures with books also, and then that's a great way to add some color in the room as well. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It was great to share with you my design must-haves for every single room. I'm Brittany Zachos from Zachos Design Group. I will see you guys soon. Thanks.